Hello and welcome. Here's a guide to create your custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. You can do this on your phone or with your computer. Step 1. Open Canva. Go to Canva and log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Step 2. Search YouTube Shorts. Canva has hundreds of templates for YouTube Shorts. Canva provides many pre-made YouTube thumbnail templates. You can choose one or start from scratch. I'm going to choose the blank template to start from scratch. As you can see by now, we are using a 5-second video for our thumbnail. Use the tools at the bottom to add elements, text, image, and more to help create your attractive thumbnail. I am going to start designing my thumbnail. When you are satisfied with your thumbnail, click the Share button, click Download and under File Type, select the file format you like. I am going to select the PNG file format and click Download. The file will be downloaded into your photo gallery if you are using your phone. Next step is to open your video editor. I am using CapCut. Add your thumbnail to the end or to the beginning of your track to make it easier to work with. After that, publish your video and upload it on YouTube. Inside the Add Details page, click the pencil icon. This will allow you to select a section of your video as your thumbnail. We are going to the end of the video to select the thumbnail. After you select your thumbnail, you can go ahead and finish adding the details page and upload your short video. There is a problem though. You don't want your viewers to see your thumbnail at the end of the video. So to fix this, we have to remove the last section of the video. Go to studio.youtube.com to edit out the last section. If you are using your phone, make sure you are using the desktop view. If your screen doesn't look like mine, then go to the 3 dots and select the box next to Desktop Site. I recommend that you use your PC to do this part. On the left panel, select Content. Inside the Content, select Shorts. Select the short that you want to edit and click the Editor tool. Use the Trim and Cut tool to cut out the last section of your video. Go to the end of your video. Move the Trim tool to cut out the last section of your video. If it's hard to see, use the zoom drag to zoom in into your video. After you cut it, click Save. The section is gone, but the thumbnail remains in your short video. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you out.